Hi, it's me again with Corel Doll Tips and Tricks, and I just can't stop. I thought of another way to make it even better. And if you haven't watched 1, 2, 3, and 4 of the series, so I made a double. In part 2, I showed how to make this, but it was in 2 different rings. I just made a double one, so I have a interactive fill tool. I have a double black uh, menagerie of colors. Uh, Let me go back to zoom in and look at that. So I've got a black, black, and 2 yellows on each side to get that thin black. But we had a line in the first one, if you remember. And I don't know if that would show up in printing or not. So I figured out a way to get rid of the line. And then part 4, I showed how to do this. So I just thought I'd just kind of put it all together. So I've got 2 rings, no special, well, I basically have 4 rings. But nothing special. They're not interlocking or anything, but I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete this side on this line. And I always kind of go down, and with this one's going over, this one has to go under, so then it has to click these 2 lines. Then what you have to do is take the Smart Fill tool, doesn't matter what color, and fill them both in. They're 2 separate items. Matter of fact, I am going to get rid of the outline by right-clicking. Now I'm going to get, which is one of the neatest tools Corel has, is attribute eyedropper. And I'm going to take a sample of that and pour it in there and pour it in there. And now I have interlocking rings with no, I mean, there's a color change, but there's no line there. So that one is going over and this one is going under. Pretty cool. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.